Hello everyone, I am Shubhajit. Hope you all are doing well. Observe the picture and find out what are they doing. Are they doing the same work? No, let's see what they are doing. Here, people are engaged in different works. So, we all have many aspirations about what we would like to do, how we would like to live, and what are the essential things that we require. These questions work towards achieving our goals. Apart from our personal development, we should think of a country's development. In this chapter, we make an effort to understand ideas of development. Learning outcomes. Number 1. Income and other goals. Number 2. National development. Number 3. How to compare different countries or states in the concept of development. Number 4. National income. Number 5. Income and other criteria. 6. Public facilities. 7th. Sustainable development. Keywords. Number 1. Aspiration. The ambition of achieving something. Number 2. Public facilities. Services provided by the government. Number 3. Human development. Expansion of human capabilities. Number 4. Infant mortality. The death of a children under the age of 1 year. Number 5. Per capita income. A measure of the amount earned per person. Number 6. Sustainable development. Economic development. Concept map. So, the table given below depicts the developmental goals of different categories of person. The first category of person are farmers. The developmental goals are to get good prices for their crops and also to buy tractor or a new agricultural land. Second category of person are students. The developmental goals are studying and getting good employment. Third category of person are the employees. Their developmental goals are getting promotions. Ideas of development are defined as a people's economic growth along with the growth of their basic needs like education, health, lifestyle, etc. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them, that is, which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. The main aim of development is to update as per the demand of time. Example, to generate electricity, a dam is constructed over a river where a nearby mass is considered for construction, resulting in the development of society and the country. But it destroys farmers and the lives of people living nearby. Income and other goals. Money is considered to be people's basic need, and to fulfill their daily requirements, making money or income is very important. Money is required to buy materialistic things as well as freedom, security, treatment, and respect to maintain a quality lifestyle. Hence, developmental goals are necessary to get a better income and other things in life. National development. It is defined as country's ability to enhance the living standard of the residents, improvement in people's living standard, providing basic resources to citizens like food, education, social service, medical aid, etc. And along with an increase in per capita income, is referred to as national development. How to compare different countries or states? Income is a key feature to compare countries. Countries that have higher incomes are called developed countries. The income of the countries is about the income of the citizens of that country. National income. It is the sum of the total value of the country's goods and services produced in a year. As every country has different population rate, national income can be considered to compare between different countries. Per capita income. It's also called average income. It's defined as a country's total earnings divided by the whole population. It shows the living standard of the citizen of the country. The country's average income is the ratio of the overall income population of the country. Income and other criteria. To achieve a goal, people earn more and want respect from others, the security of their lives, and freedom. Literacy rate. It is the total number of people above 7 years who can read write and understand. If the literacy rate is high, then the state is considered to be developed. Infant mortality rate. It is the total number of children that die in 1 year of age as a proportion of 1000 births in a year. It shows how efficient health facilities are in any country. IMR, infant mortality rate. The number of children who die within 1 year. The United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, the index in which an annual report of human development is published every year. The major parameters include per capita income, literacy rate, and durability of person's life, which measures the country's development. Countries are marked as very high, high, medium, and low developed countries respectively. Public facilities. Public facilities play a major role in the development of the country. These are government provided facilities like schools, transportation, electricity, hospitals, residences, community halls, etc. These facilities are important as we cannot purchase every major facility. Sustainable development, it is the development that meets all the needs of today's generation. It is a development of a nation without affecting the environment. To achieve sustainable development, we should use non-renewable sources such as carbon-based fuel wisely. Sustainable development can be defined as an approach to the economic development of a country without compromising the quality of the environment for future generations. In this chapter, we have learned about economic development and ideas of development. We all know that developing countries belong to the lower and middle income groups of people. It was agreed that economic development would include both social and financial justice. Therefore, the government should play a significant role in achieving these goals.